Assalamu alaikum, my lovely viewers. This is Hello to World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up TensorFlow in Jupyter platform. So, for this case, I have done some kinds of noted from the notepad. So, here this is. So, we will just run this code one by one. So, for this case, we will go to the Anaconda Navigators. This is the Anaconda Navigator, and here the Anaconda prompt or cmd.exe prompt. So we launch it. So I have done lots of things my previous work. Now I will do open another tab, and I will run this thing and also create the TensorFlow GPU. So how? So first of all, NVIDIA SMA, I will check what kinds of CUDA version is here. So this is the things here, the driver version, CUDA version, as well as NVIDIA SMA version. And I wanna check there have something about the devices here. Here. So let's check again another things. NVCC version. Let's check what happened in this code. This is not working, so no need. So now I will take the Conda env list, that means the environment list. How many lists have in here? See here the one TensorFlow GPU CNN. So I have just created before for my working purpose. So now I will do another thing. So how? So here the Conda create name TensorFlow GPU CNN 2, as because CNN 1 is here, that's why I will do. So before that we have to clear about this. So TensorFlow GPU, for we have to install about the Python 3.9 as well as uh, TensorFlow, not like that. Here the Conda toolkit. We have to install the 11.2 as well as CUDA, that means cuDNN. We have to install the 8.1. So in this thing, we will do. Now let's check. So this line I will copy and paste here. So let's check. And the new name has been created, TensorFlow GPU CNN2. See, it's working, and I have to press the Y. Yes, Y for yes. Require some time. See, the thing has been created. So before that we have to ensure, first of all, we have to deactivate the environment. So let's do the thing. Here I have already write the code, then I will do the activated, then it will work more. See, the thing has been here. I just create the environment, and TensorFlow I will not yet install. And if we want to take the Conda env list, see, there have another thing has been here, two things. So where, see, only one thing, and base, this is the base things. We will not count this, counting this. Here the things, the TensorFlow. Now we will install this line for CUDA toolkit as well as CUDA copy and paste here. Hopefully it will take more time. It's working. We have to get the Y for yes. See, it has done. So now we have to set the path. So these things I have right must do it, otherwise it will not sometimes work and it will create extra problem. so no need to. So we have to avoid this problem. That's why we will set these things, copy as well as paste. See, the thing has been so. Now we will install the TensorFlow 2.10. Pip install this thing. See, the thing has been here. Now I will take Python and I will give the import TensorFlow as TF. Oh, that hasn't showed the error. So here the normal problem has been set here. Which thing I have problem the what thing? This is the numpy error. So see, a module that was compiled using 1 point and cannot be run. So I have installed 2.0.2. That's why it has been clashed. Now what I have done the this thing. If any kinds of PC has been show the numpy error, so message has been showed. So what kinds of numpy version we have to install in this environment? So then, so again we'll do Python. See, it has entered. Now import. See, there have no error. So that time the thing has been shown because of numpy error. So which version? Then take 2.10.0. Here this point where this, as well as number of GPU available or not. See, number of GPUs available 1. See, so in this way we can install the GPU system. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.